Got some pussy hair in your mouth or something? I know they fucking hear that shit. Hear what? Sound like you sucking somebody's dick in my ear. Man, I can't lick my damn lips. Motherfuckers lick them, but don't be like you just ate a jar of peanut butter or something, bitch. Tired of this email. From high school back in January. After moving, we decided that we would just get an apartment together instead of living in a dorm. Get out my ear, man.
Take a little G-spot to put in my mouth. Man, come on, Kim. Get the fuck out my ear. This is what you sound like. Man, it sound like you eating some
Look here. The Nicorette, the gum, the patch, all that's gonna be great. Go see a doctor, help you with that stuff. But yeah. Also, you need to go see people that's been smoking their entire... Oh. What is wrong with you, man? Kevin, you sucking in my ear. I ain't sucking nothing, you man. Like sound like you sucking. I ain't sucking nothing, man. Well, get out my ear. You know what you can't do, man? Hold on, I ain't done talking man, yet. Hold on, man. Get out the way.
Got some Little Richard action going.
Hey man, what's this smacking for, man?
Somebody got something to drink over there.
Man, you sound like a damn slave back in the 1600s in the damn shed eating some damn pork and beans and cornbread or something.
Try the packs, the gum, that's all kinds of... Go see a doctor. They got all kinds of different medications and stuff, right? But what is you sucking in my ear? Man, you gotta be kidding me, man. Man, Kim, you was sucking. I ain't sucking nothing. That's what it sounds like. You licking your lips again. Man! Why don't you put some chopstick on? I don't want no Look, you just did it now. That's exactly what you did. It ain't that loud, man. You're like a damn horse just ate an apple or something. Look here. Get out my ear.
You get the white lime rice.
Get the hell out my damn ear. Come on, Kip. Get serious on this. I'm serious, man. Come on, man. Get out my ear! Man, get in your ear, man! And she said that she's about...
Hey. Stop sucking dick in my ear.
I'm the type of woman who will constantly be in the mood. Hey, man, get the fuck out my ear. Why are you sucking dick in my ear again? Did she say she's constantly... Are you like licking your lips or something? See that shit you doing? Sound like you sucking dick, man. Get the fuck out my ear. I told you about this shit. What's this shit all over your shirt? You disheveled, dirty motherfucker. You can't see that shit on camera. Bitch, that's an HD camera right there. I see all that shit. I don't see it.
Look at all that silverback action, man. Man, that damn hoodie's clean as hell.
Get the fuck out of my damn ear screaming, man.
I'm just saying, man.
Title of this email. My wife is boring now. Go on, get up back.
I ain't doing it.
No, run the show. I'm gonna sit back here. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna be sucking something off while you talking. This is getting to be a problem. Sock a damn.
You mean stay back here then?
Just get the hell out my ear.
I ain't in your ear. I'm gonna stay back here, man. From now on, man. I'm gonna just sit back here.
Yeah, just stay back here. Yeah, stay back here.
I'm gonna stay back here.
Yeah, there you go. What's up, Keith and Kevin? I have a problem. My relationship of 4 years is not the same. Get back here.
No.
No, I can hear you breathing now. You breathing. Breathe over there. You sound like a damn horse just ran the damn Kentucky Derby. What the hell's wrong with you? It's gonna be a problem, Kevin. I'm just breathing.
Now, man. They're cooking it right now, man.
Go ahead.
Why you wanna be quiet?
You fucking sucking dick like a goddamn camel, bitch. I can hear you. That's what it sounds sitting next to you, bitch. Like you sucking something. No, man, you just sensitive, that's all. That's all, man. Up inside of that and just leave the nuts hanging out. Yeah. Get out my ear sucking dick again. She's been doing it since then. Out of this email. Boyfriend has commitment issues. Did you just run a 100-meter dash? What the hell's wrong with you today, man? Kevin, why are you breathing so hard? I'm not breathing. Hold on, man. Let me check something. Get away from me. Don't touch me. Let me check your video, man. Let me check your heartbeat. These videos are too long, man. They ain't paying nothing over here, man. This is free. Come here. What's all this gunk right here? You just ate something? Hurry up, man. These people ain't paying us over here. We've been texting. Hey, Kevin, get up off me. Anyway. That's what you sound like in my ear. What the hell's wrong? Get the fuck out my ear, man. Hey, Kevin, get the fuck... Man, you sound like you fucking sucking a goddamn horse off. Get in a shot, man. Get out my ear! Man, you having a nervous... That's what you sound like standing beside me. Hey, man, I think you about to have a nervous breakdown, man. Come on, Camel. Give me some more Camel action. Come on, man. Read the email. Tired of this email. Some more Camel action. Come on, man. Stop licking your lips in my ear. I can't lick my lips. As soon as you step in, you be like... Some more Camel action. Man, you smacking all in my ear. Go off me. She's crazy, man. She also... Man, go off me. Get your damn pecs off of me. You're right there. Why can I hear you swallowing? I don't know. Maybe you got bionic ears. I don't know. Get out my ear. I'm going to go and read your email. Hold your head up. Looking at the damn floor. Look at them. I done told you. You like it. I'm chilling, man. No, look at the camera, man. Well, look at me. Man, how you doing, Hodgetwins? I'm going to keep this email short because there's too many emotions running through my mind right now. I ain't sitting there standing there like that. Crazy. He said, there are too many emotions running through my mind right now. Why are you scratching your head, man? I'm back here doing my thing. A commercial break? You did it wrong. I'm going to start over. Hey, time for a commercial break. Hey, bitch. Get the fuck out my ear. Okay, let me start again. Hey, Hodgetwins, my mom is going through a tough time and needs some advice ASAP. Get out my ear! Man, you crazy? You just start here sucking something in my ear. You just in there. Man, you know what? Look at them big old lips, man. Just lick them once. I think you got Tourette's, man. I ain't got Tourette's, man. Yeah, you do, man. This least little thing, man, set you off, man. Man, sound like you sucking pig ears in my ear or something, man. Sucking pig ears? Eating pig ears, or eating pig hooves or something, pig's feet. Fuck off in seconds. That's what it's telling you. Stop smacking in my fucking ear, man. She had to get something. Get out my ear. Who is it, Gero? You it Gero? Get out my ear. Is it Gero? Get out my ear. You sound like a damn camel. Eating a peanut butter and jelly. How you say give in Spanish? Yes, I knew. What? my ear!
Man, you got too much liquid in here. Out my ear.
God, man, you spit that hot sauce in my ear, man.
In your ear. Your eye.
I'm a college student and there's this, okay, I read all that. But, get the hell out of my ear. What's up, everybody?
Get the fuck out.
Get the fuck out my ear.
I'm just standing here.
Sniffling and shit.
Back up, man.
Hey, Hodgetwins.
Full ice cream on the other side of Rocky Road. Man, get the fuck out my ear, man. What you doing to your mouth closed?
Stop sucking dick in my ear. Man, what the hell you talking about? The problem I have is when he saw our family photos, he said, seriously, when did this happen? As in, when did you decide to date and marry a white guy? Hi, twins. My name is Drew. How many times you gonna do that in my ear? I got a cold.
You gonna pick it up, man.
Hey, Kim, get the out my ear.
There you go, fucking sucking dick in my ear again.
What you call them, red hot spicy thing? Suck it!
Keep sucking off. Keep sucking it off in my ear.
Heavy, man. Listen, this is so heavy. Watch it. I'm gonna drop it. Just so y'all can hear how heavy it is. Stop all that damn smack.
Hi, Keith and Kevin. Oh, tired of this email. Man, you off your game today, man. You need to clean up your phone. Tired of this email.
Man, getting a pump in my arm. Get the hell out my ear.
Get out of my ear!
Like some goddamn Tysons. Man, get the fuck out my ear.
I'd like to take you out sometime. Why you sucking dick in my ear again?
I ain't doing that.
You got... What the fuck you...
Man, why it sound like you fucking like a goddamn horse at the trough eating apples, bitch?
This is good, bitch.
Ain't it to me, man. Get out my ear. Oh, see, that's got...
It's just lips.
No, I don't want that lips in there.
Why don't you download the picture so you can scan in on it?
Get out my ear!
Hey, Kim, get out my ear. I remember.
Look here. He's been trying. I know you've been trying. Get out my ear!
The hell's wrong with you?
Get out my ear!
Hey, man, get them.
Out my ear!
Man.
Why you smacking, man? The fuck you mean I ain't smacking? You sucking dick in this damn video, man.
And yeah, they all say that.
Okay. I've never been one to have trust for many people, so I don't believe her when she says that.
Stop breathing in my ear.
The hell's wrong with you?
Are you a damn horse?
But you know we got people beside us, right?
These ain't nothing but some damn thoughts over here. Some what? Some thoughts.
Get the fuck out my ear.
Hey, watch your mouth.
Look here. Get out my ear, sucking. Look, I just started dating this girl like a week ago. She's pretty, fit, and she seems clean. Yeah, keep sucking in my ear.
Got my ear.
Stop smacking, man. That shit's annoying as fuck.
Long sentence, no comma, no period, no nothing.
You didn't even tell us if you had sex with the girl.
I asked her to be my...
Get out my ear.
I asked her to be my girlfriend, and then another month or so later, we broke up because she said everything was going too quick.
Do people really do that, man?
Yeah, dog. Look, I just started dating this girl like a week ago. She's pretty, fit, and she seems clean. Yeah, keep sucking in my ear.
God damn, you gotta suck hard as fuck to get through that swallow. Get the fuck out my ear.
Man, what you...
Yeah. Hey man, come on, man.
Oh, eat that broccoli, man.
It's hot, man. Don't burn yourself, man.
Yeah, how long did you cook this, man?
I cooked it 6 minutes, man. Man, Kim, get the hell out my ear.
Girl good, open the door for. Man, it's a lot of little fuck out the way. Let me do some talking. Get the fuck out my ear while you at it. Look here, man. You don't do that, right? It's like like that. Yeah. Just calm down. You're too violent with it. There you go.
Oh, y'all doing video?
Yeah. Goddamn overtime Chris in this bitch.
I'll come back. I was going to show you some shirts.
Oh, okay. We'll be done in like 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right.
Shut up. You over there sucking something. You a loud eater, man. You could be eating a muffin and sound like you eating an apple or something. You ever notice how loud it is when you're eating a girl out? Oh. Little kids over here.
And then it's time. Now God done put them together. So we went. God damn! Motherfucker, cover your goddamn mouth when you sneeze, Kevin. Man, I'm sorry about that, man. Yeah. Yeah. Get out the fuck out my ear.
And we'll see who's better.
Get the fuck out my ear! Do it. Title of this email. You sucking dick again? You in your period again today, I see. Stop sucking dicks in my ear. Get off the rag, bitch. That won't go away. See? He needs a vegetable. I suspect what you sucking in my ear. Man, your breath smell like cat shit. Don't do it? Oh, damn hater. Look, I'm recently divorced. Oh, yeah. You like that? What's wrong with you? You like that? Get out of my face. Here. Come here. No, man. Oh, come on. That's what it sounds like. Look, come on. Let's get serious on this. Get the fuck off me. Little kids over here. My mom accepted the situation and she is trying to convince him to accept it too. I'm their only child and I know they want what's best for me. Get out of my ear!
Yeah. Back up, man. Go to the office. Gotta go to that office. Out here making moves. Out here making moves, man. Oh, another thing. We announced our tour. Hey, man. You fucking chewing that gum like you sucking dick, man. Put that... wait till we done with the video. You damn dick sucker.
I'm just reading what the dude sent me, man. Well, he's a candy ass. Too much sex. Hey, Kim, stop sucking dick in my ear. I can't lick my lips? Why don't you just put on some chapstick?
Nah,
because I could, man, it sounds like somebody's getting sucked off in here. And it's right in my damn ear. This is what it sounds like getting beside this motherfucker, everybody.
That's what it fucking sounds like.
That don't sound like somebody sucking dick. It sounds like somebody eating pussy. This head. Think with the head you got down there. Man. That head's gonna tell you what's up. This is, man. This ain't nothing to do with cougar. 21 and 27. Stop sucking off in my ear! Oh no, can't do that. Can't do that, man. There you go, sucking dick in my ear. Man, I don't be smacking like that. You sound like you sucking somebody off. You ain't talking to her, huh? Bet you still fucking her. No, I hasn't talked to her. How you gonna fuck her? Hey, man, it's for little kids over here. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought this was for home. Shut up! Yeah, you back sucking it off again in my ear. Title of this email. The guys I've talked to have been nice and could probably offer a nice future, but I never. Man, stop scratching your beard in my damn ear. Shit itches, man. It's like a damn Brillo pad. You clean a damn pot or something. Oh, scratch it and making my stuff itch. Close your mouth. Hey man, get the fuck out my ear. What you talking about? I got my mouth closed. You still sound like a damn pack rat in here sucking dick. Yeah, we're gonna lose all kinds of shut up! The fuck out my ear. Supposed to be cut. They look like a good fry to me. Get the hell out of my damn ear. Look. What do you look? What do you mean, look? Let me read the email. Read the email then. My plan was to stick with her for about a year or two. They can't even hear me read it. There's this one thing that really bothers me though. Get out my ear. That's what you sound like, bitch. Your figure speech, you pushing it today, bitch. My whole life I've noticed that girls find me attractive. Put that damn water down, bitch. You sucking that fucking shit down in my fucking ear. Alright, man, calm the fuck down. I'm starting this fucking video. No, man, come on, man, it's real. Yeah, man. You done got friends on, I know you have. Nah, hold on. No, I'm talking about prior relationships. I'm gagging on something, hold up. Hold on, man, we're recording. Got something in my throat, man. Some of this water up in me. Now stop swallowing in my ear. With that I met on Tinder. Tinder, man? Picking up women on Tinder, huh? She seems like a... Get out my ear! What the hell's wrong with you? Stop sniffling my ear. The real Hodgetwins. Go to hodgetwins.tv. That's the website. It's only $2.99 a month. That's 10 cents a day. That's damn near free. You.